Hey everybody, this is Nicole Fraser, certified yoga instructor, and today we're going to be talking about mudras, more specifically the Gyana Mudra. Now, have you ever been in a yoga class and you thought to yourself, oh my gosh, I am so tired, how am I going to get through this? Or perhaps you've been to a class or practiced on your own or wherever you're doing yoga and you think to yourself, my mind is racing, everything is spinning, I've got to-do lists, why am I even here? I have so much to do and everything in your mind is just so busy and chattery, and you just really need some calm and some relaxation. Well, mudras are actually a wonderful answer, the Gyana Mudra specifically. So that's what I'm going to be talking to you about today. Now, I'd like to go into an explanation about what mudras are, but the explanation is actually incredibly complex, so we will get into that another time. But for all intents and purposes today, we're just going to be talking about one, and that's the Gyana Mudra. It's actually a hand gesture, and I will show you here. So you take your index finger and you place it towards your thumb, and you just very gently press the two tips of the fingers together. The other three fingers can just be left straight. Now, if you're doing a meditation or something like that, you might want to sit cross-legged, and then you just place the back of the hand on top of the knee, and you can have both of your hands like this. So that simply is the Gyana Mudra. Now, here's the thing about that. The Gyana Mudra is specifically an intent of knowledge. So when you put your fingertips together like that, you are creating an intention that you know something. So that can get also incredibly complex. We can get into that a lot, but for the purpose of what I want to talk to you about today, the knowledge that we want to feel today is either energy or peace and calm. So the first one that I was explaining, where you can put the back of your hand onto your knee, is for energy. If you have the palm facing up, you are asking for energy out of your class. Energy, strength, whatever you need to get you through that class, give you that little extra oomph. And so as you take some deep breaths, you might want to say to yourself a little mantra as well. Mantras and mudras go together wonderfully, and a mantra is just a couple of words that you tell yourself you know that you are. So see how the relation is. So you can say, I am strength, I am power, I am ready for this class, and you can repeat it to yourself in a meditation to help get you prepared. Now, on the opposite side of things, if you're looking to find some peace, calm, tranquility, you want to place your palm facing down comfortably on your knees, or if you're laying down, it can be on the floor as well. But you want the palm facing down. That's the most important part. And then you can say to yourself, I am peace, I am calm, I am tranquility. Or another set of words, whatever you want that helps bring that peace and that calm that you want out of your practice. So you can do a quick little meditation for yourself at the beginning of yoga class while you're waiting for it to start, or if you're just practicing at home by yourself. So I hope that you enjoyed this little set on Gyana Mudra. If you have any questions, you can always feel free to let me know. Try it out next time you want to practice yoga or meditate.